This project is number 163. This is a core electrical project, soft start of 3-phase induction motor. So in place of a 3-phase induction motor, what we are trying to fit here is two bulbs for each phase. This is for one phase, this is for another phase, and this is for another phase. That's how the 3-phase connections are coming from here. They are all connected in delta. And we got 3 transformers, and those 3 transformers are connected to 3 phases, and we have 6 thyristors, 2 thyristors in each phase connected back to back, and so that's how the 6 thyristors come into picture. We got accordingly 6 opto-isolators also triggering each and every thyristor. Silicon control rectifier. Then the soft start arrangement, this is a solid state soft start arrangement where the motor starts smoothly from low speed to the high speed, unlike the DOL starter, that is direct online starter, or the star delta starter where there is only 2-step, or even the star delta starter has a tremendous drawback. The star delta starter, the problem is that at the time of star, operating at star, when it changes to delta, it passes through a no power zone. Because of the no power zone, the star delta motor, the motor which is connected, becomes an induction generator, and after the induction generator, when the power is applied again, it starts again with a slight jerk. So whether it's DOL starter or star delta starter, we have a difficulty in smooth starting. But this process, though the time is very small, we will switch on this, we will see the time is very small, but then you can see how slowly the light is coming. The intensity comes very slowly. It happens within fraction of a second, and that is what is called the soft start of induction motor. Then we have these number circuits here for the tracks, so SCRs back to back, and the associated comparators for comparing with the sawtooth voltage and a slowly rising voltage to determine the delayed firing angle to the coils. This is based on the delayed firing angle at the initial stage, and then switches over to the full triggering. That is how the full intensity comes from the lamps here.